A new security patch update is rolling out for Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G mobile. This is a monthly security patch update. After installing this new software update, this mobile is updated to October security patch. Coming to the file size, it's 268.13 megabytes. This is just a monthly security patch update and you won't notice any changes after installing this update. I started downloading this update and the downloading was also completed. Now I'm going to install this. One of the biggest concerns when it comes to installing updates, especially in Samsung mobiles, is the green line issues. A few months back, I posted a video regarding Samsung's free display replacement for specific models which got affected by this green line issue. This is a specific time program. Still, now also I'm getting comments that some of the users are noticing green line issues on these flagship Samsung mobiles and some in the mid-range category as well. Also, one of the users shared that when he went to the service center, the person who was on the other side refused to repair his mobile due to the dents on the corners. This happened to me also when I went to the service center to change the glue on the back panel of the Samsung S20 FE. But somehow they managed to do that on that time. So I'm planning to make a dedicated video to address this issue. Let's see what are the possibilities we have if in case we get this issue in any Samsung mobile. Coming back to this mobile update, during this process you do not press any button while updating this mobile. It will be completed automatically. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes to complete this update, so make sure you have that free time. Because if you press any buttons while updating this mobile, most of the time it won't happen, but sometimes we too don't know when it happens, so it will stuck at the bootloader. That means it shows only the Samsung logo again and again, and it switches off and switches on again and again. So don't press any buttons during this update process. Alright, I completed this update and I used the mobile for a couple of times, for some minutes of time, and this update doesn't have any issues in my mobile. The internal files, the applications, the data, everything is there. The main thing, there are no green line issues in my model. So overall, my mobile is perfectly fine after this update. If in case you want to know what are the criteria for getting free display replacement in Samsung mobile, if in case you have green line issues, click this video.